guys, welcome back to Mommy Bo's channel, and today we are doing a little unbox video for EXVAC 700, and let's see what we got in the box. Wow, the machine is quite heavy actually. I can't pull it out. Sorry guys, left the instruction book here. And then also it has a guideline for how you connect the app. And okay, this is the machine, EXVAC 700. It's in a very classic white color. And yeah, this is the back of it. And here is a water tank, which is very thick actually. Besides that, let's check what we have in the box. Another extra mopping clothes. We have like 4 side brush for this. Remote control. I think this is a charger. A little sponge and the cleaning tool. Yeah, that's basically what we have. The biggest advantage of this machine is it can satisfy your daily basic cleaning needs, and also it's in an affordable price. And right now we upgraded it with a dust collector here,